Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on BimmerTech's YouTube channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today we got a special one for you. We have a rear-facing camera, a front-facing camera, a second-generation CIC navigation head unit upgrade, BimmerTech's MMI and Smart View, an iDrive controller retrofit, also installing a comm box for enhanced Bluetooth and USB connectivity. Stick around. And here's the gear that our veteran installer Russ installed. But first, let's start out this video by seeing exactly how the system works. At the end, you'll get to see the installation itself. Moving into the interior, you can see the iDrive controller was installed in such a way that it looks like it was always meant to be there. Turning on the CIC and then holding the menu button, you can see it switches over to the Smart View mirroring interface. Mirroring your Apple device is as easy as swiping up and selecting the device in the screen. Selecting something on YouTube, you can see it fills up the screen nicely. Here you can see the front-facing camera looks great. And if we put the car in reverse, the backup camera looks great as well. And if we go out of the Smart View screen, and select multimedia, you can see that the client has his phone connected to the USB cable, allowing full control over all his media. And if we go back to the submenu, scroll down to Bluetooth, we can add a new Bluetooth device. Just follow the prompts on the screen. You'll be prompted to enter in a verification ID that'll have to match your device. And once that's been verified, the Bluetooth will connect automatically. Go ahead, select OK. Select OK again. You can back out. Select your device. Now you can play the media desired on your Bluetooth devices. We'll head over to the main menu and we'll start the car to unlock the rest of the features that the second generation CIC offers. And just as you'd expect, the navigation works great. It has a split screen that you have the option to turn off. And let us know down in the comments section if this video was helpful, and also what other BimmerTech videos you'd like to see. Now let's see how the install went. You can see here he's going to be pulling off the paneling off the back hatch. Then verifying the proper path to run the cables for the rear view camera. With the camera installed, now he'll be running extension cables to run the camera's cabling to the front of the car, and continuing to remove paneling to follow through with the path for his cabling. With the proper extensions ran to the front, he'll begin removing more of the old gear to make room for the new ones. Now he'll be verifying the path he needs in order to run the cabling for the front camera. Then running the front camera cable. Unmounting some weather stripping to get access to the bolts that are holding in the front bumper. Then removing one of the kidney grills to finalize the path to install the front camera. With the front camera installed, he can continue moving on to the interior. Like mentioned before, one retrofit is going to be an iDrive controller upgrade, so he'll be needing to take out the center console. This way he can cut in the proper holes comfortably out of the car to make room for the iDrive controller. Then moving on to closing up any paneling he doesn't need open. Moving on, he'll be getting the comm box installed as well, along with the hands-free microphone cables and USB extensions necessary. Then he'll finish it off with an MMI, Smart View mirroring, and last but not least, the second gen CIC and accompanying screen for this BMW E61 estate wagon. And with everything installed, Russ will go ahead and put everything back together. Now this E61 estate wagon has been completely upgraded. With everything wrapped up, we'll go ahead and send the client on their way. Once again, guys, my name is Chaz. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video. If you happen to have any questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to see the latest videos that we got here at the shop. See you next time.